Library of Things is any collection of objects loaned and any organization that practices such loaning. Objects often include kitchen appliances, tools, gardening equipment and seeds, electronics, toys and games, art, science kits, craft supplies, musical instruments, and recreational equipment. Especially appropriate are objects that are useful occasionally but cumbersome to store, such as specialized cookware or niche technology items. Collections vary widely but go far beyond the books, journals, and media that have been the primary focus of traditional libraries. The Library of Things movement is a growing trend in public, academic and special libraries in many countries. There are also freestanding organizations separate from libraries, such as tool libraries, toy libraries, community sharing centers, independent non-profits, and individual initiatives. The ShareShed is developing the first mobile library of things. Collections are often supported by educational programming and public events. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.